Howdy YouTube, got another product review coming for you here today. It is of a DeWalt 12-inch sliding miter saw. I have a bunch of framing to do here, and I got tired of doing everything with a handheld circular saw, and I figured this would speed things up. I've got a bunch of stuff to fix from the previous people here. If you have seen my prior videos, you'll know just the horror that is this house, and if not, I'll give you a little hint. I'm standing in the first floor, and there's the basement, and yeah, the previous contractor pulled out all the floor joists, all the flooring, and it was this old native timber that was nice and solid, and got a wall just hanging here, and yeah, it's just a general mess. So I'm trying to speed things up and trying to do this as quickly as possible. I've got the concrete guys starting tomorrow morning, and I need to get the stuff done for the HVAC, and so this should speed things up. So here we go. I'm going to give it a try here and see how it does. It's a pretty impressive looking tool. I had another one like this, except I think it was a 10-inch that I sold 3 or 4 years ago when I thought I was going to be moving to San Francisco. So I decided it's enough stuff here to really justify using another one. So here we go. Let me put the camera down here and give it a try. This is actually the first time that it will have been turned on. I have not even hooked it up, or I hooked it up to power yet, but I have not yet actually had a chance to turn it on. So I am curious to see how it does and try out the sliding action in person. The previous one I had was a 12-inch, but it was not a slider. And here's this piece of scrap wood I need for a shim in the basement. So we'll give this a go here and see how it does. This is again the first time this has been switched on, and I hope I have enough power in the house here to run it. So we'll see. Got my fingers clear. Well, alrighty. It's got a fine-tooth blade in it. I'm going to switch that out to more of a rough cut, just for some of the stuff I've got to do. Does a nice job. I don't know if you can see that or not. Not surprising. It's DeWalt, and it's kind of a pricey tool, so yeah, it doesn't really surprise me, all things considered. But it's got a nice sliding action here. Pretty smooth and pretty sturdy. I played with it some while I was in the store. Decide if it was worth getting that or not, but I've got a bunch of crown molding and stuff like that in this old house that needs to be put up, so I figured it'll serve its purpose well for this house. So I guess that is the part 1 of my review of the DW718 sliding miter saw. As the more I use it, I'll probably put up some more videos here, as I've done with a lot of the tools I bought for this project. So check back, and you can see some updates, and I'll give you some more opinions on what I like about it, what I don't like about it, and if I think it's junk. So stay tuned.